Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer frozen chicken wings. Let's begin. We have here Tyson frozen chicken wings and let's take some out. We'll need around 12 pieces. There we go, we have 12 pieces of chicken wings. Some of them are stuck together, but that's okay. Next we're going to spray some cooking oil onto the chicken wings. There we go. This will help the seasoning stick onto the chicken wings. First, we're going to add some salt. Some garlic powder. Some onion powder. And lastly, some smoked paprika. There you go. We're just going to spray a little bit more cooking oil onto the chicken wings to help it stick better. We're going to flip it over and do the same thing. And let's season the other side. But first we're going to spray some cooking oil onto the other side. And add the same seasoning to the other side. Some salt. Some garlic powder, some onion powder, and lastly some smoked paprika. And we're just going to spray a little bit of cooking oil on top again. Looking good. The cooking oil will help the seasoning stick better on the frozen chicken wings. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees and preheat it for 5 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated to 400 degrees. And now let's put in the frozen chicken wings. Okay, we have all 12 pieces of chicken wings in the air fryer. And now let's put in the frozen chicken wings. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 28 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 14 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Some of the pieces are stuck together. We're just going to break them apart and flip them over. Okay, we flipped them all over. Make sure they're spaced out nicely. And now let's put it back in for the last 14 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 28 minutes. Let's take them out. Looking great. Let's take them out. We're going to check the temperature real quick. And it's above 165 degrees. And we're set. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer frozen chicken wings. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.